Schoology tips and tricks. Trick number 7, reordering courses. If you have ever logged into Schoology and you've seen your course dashboard, either this view or this other courses view, and you're like, I need these in a different order. This is super simple. There are 2 ways that you can reorder your courses. From this courses screen, you will always see, just so you know, you will always see 12 courses here. There's no way to have less, but there's also no way to have more. There will always be 12 here if you have at least 12. So your study halls may still appear here, even once you've reordered your courses to the classes you actually teach up here at the beginning, just so you know. So if I click on My Courses on the right-hand side of your screen, right here you have Reorder Courses, and it's a simple drag and drop. So I just grab one of these and I bring it up to the top. There is no save button. Once I close that, if I go back to look at my courses, now my sandbox here is in the first position. Back at that view of the reorder courses, you will notice as you scroll down, once you hit 12, you hit this wording. Courses that appear below this line will not appear in the courses drop down. That just means on that main screen, you're just going to have the 12 that appear above this line. Anything below are still courses that you belong to or manage. They just don't show up on those 12. So you can reorder anything from down here. If you decide, oh, this guy really needs to be up above, you just grab it and move it above that line. So that is one way. Very easy to reorder your courses here in Schoology. You can also reorder them if you click on our district icon here, Carlisle Area School District, and you're in your course dashboard. I can grab anything from here and drag it and move it. These are just a little bit bigger, so they're a little bit more cumbersome to move around, but you can move anything from here as well. You cannot, however, move any of these guys around. So if you see that trick and you're like, oh, I thought I could do that, you can't do it from the courses tab. You can do it from the course dashboard. You can just drag these around and reorder them on your page. So super easy trick just to get the courses that you actively teach, maybe first period, second period, third period, however you want to organize it, to get those up here at the beginning and move some of your study halls and things farther down that you don't actually ever need to access here in Schoology.